Hi, this is Mariette from HowToExpo.com. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Pasta Primavera. Everything in this salad should be cold. That's why you can prepare everything beforehand and mix it together the last moment, which will take only a few minutes. This is pasta rotini, boiled al dente, and it should be cold, as I said before. And all the vegetables that we are going to put into the salad should be boiled according to the package or according how you like them. These are the vegetables that are cut, prepared, boiled, and cooled down. The sauce is the most important part of this, and I am going to show you how to prepare it in a moment. Let's mix the vegetables with the macaroni. This is one small onion, coarsely cut. Next, we'll add 3 stalks of celery, coarsely chopped, green peas, and broccoli florets. Matchstick cut carrots, again boiled and cooled down. This is 3 carrots. And we'll mix it together. Beautiful colors, spring colors. Actually, primavera means spring in Spanish. Beautiful. Let's start preparing the sauce. I have here 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 cups of yogurt, 3 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. We mix this together very well until they are combined and they are one color. Pretty well combined. Now we bring the pasta and pour the sauce over the macaroni. Let us not forget the salt and pepper. Then we keep on mixing. Put some black pepper and salt to taste. And the parsley. It's around 3 to 4 tablespoons chopped parsley. Mix well so that the macaroni is covered with the sauce. You can also do the half of this. This is good for big family, but if you do the half of everything, it will be good for 3 or 4 people. And after mixing it well, decorate it with some parsley or basil, anything that you like, anything that you prefer for decoration. It's very appetizing. Let me taste. It's so, you got to try this. It's delicious. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.